today we're going to be looking at another expedition vehicle. This one is the Bimobil Ex 412. It's on an Iveco 4x4 base. Now I filmed this at the Stuttgart CMT trade fair. Unfortunately, I was using a camera I wasn't used to, so it's a bit wobbly. It's my new Sony a6000. I've apologised about this before, but I'm going to have to keep on apologising until I learn to use it properly. But bearing that in mind, I'm now filming with it at this very moment. But although it's on a stand, so it shouldn't be wobbling. Now, some information about the vehicle. Let's have a picture of it right now. And well, as I said, it's on the Iveco 4x4. It's got a total of 24 forward gears. So it's got the 6-speed main transmission, which can be driven via 2 reduction gears, which can also be combined with each other up to a ratio of 1 to 3.9. And with the right tyres for the job, the vehicle can even climb to 45 degrees. The Iveco 4x4 suspension also offers a reasonable ride quality given the terrain, of course. The Bimobil cabin has a welded aluminium frame, aluminium outer skin and solid furniture. Inside it's got a fixed double bed, a separate shower, spacious kitchen, lots of storage and comfortable seats. Right, so now let's go straight over to Stuttgart to see the film I did there. Stuttgart, the 18th of January 2018. I'm at the CMT trade fair. This is Bimobil stand. This is their 4x4 EX 412 motorhome. It costs 211,000 euros. It's 670 centimeters long, 228 wide, 328 high, and on a 5.64 basis it'll offer a payload of 780 kilos. It has a fresh water tank of 200 liters and dirty water of 145. Right, now you come into something like this, the first thing that stands out is this enormous window. Now that it looks great. You park yourself out beside a lake, the mountains, volcanoes are going off, and you can watch all the fun whilst eating your dinner. As far as your dinner is concerned, this is your kitchen. You have 2 burners there. You've got plenty of space here to do your prep. You've got your sink. You've got your electric fridge. And you got plenty of storage below it. Having said that, you're going to have to take plenty of storage because there aren't any shops in the middle of the desert. Here, a bit of storage, well, more than a bit, because that's the entrance into the garage. You can get lots of stuff there as well. Bed above the garage, with storage all the way around. Bimobil is based near Munich, and of course at this level they will make the van exactly as the client wants it. So if there's something you don't like, then you can get it done some other way. Of course that will come at a particular cost. We've got these extensions here to the chairs. Can't really see what the point of that is, but somebody who knows more about vans like this may be able to give an answer. And it comes up like that. Okay, you got your hanging space there. Come through here. On the left, we've got the toilet. So you think, where's the shower? It's here, on the right. Comes out. There it is. So you stand here for your shower, which actually in the gangways and such small camper vans do it. And there's the driving compartment through there. Space there for your towels. obviously this is not meant to be a luxury van. This is meant to be a van for extreme environments. Plenty of standing height in here as well. Okay, what do you think of this? If you're going on an expedition somewhere, Iceland, Sahara Desert, Siberia, Mongolia, Tibet, Newcastle upon Tyne, somewhere like that, this is probably the sort of thing you'd want to go in. Right, so I filmed plenty of stuff here from Bimobil at this event, and on my website, which is motorhomefulltime.com, you can see more stuff up there and photographs, which so have a look at that please if you're interested.